Oh, hello guys. So I just replaced the sounding tube that this car was missing. It was plugged in. Again, it doesn't really matter. I'm not gonna modify this car that much. Maybe a little bit. I would like to make it look as stock as possible. Like I said, I'm waiting for the actual strut tower brace that I found on I want to say Amazon, and that so I can replace that one. And I put the GT500 mufflers on the car, which it sounds unbelievable. We're gonna have a sound test in a little bit. So I think what I just got home, what I just got delivered was the GT500 spoiler, which I'm about to use this fishing line to try to take it out. I remember how much of a pain in the neck that was. Here's the TA, and here's the part. So hopefully, let's see, hopefully I can open it up with one hand. No, I can't. So this is the one from American Muscle, the OEM spoiler. Yep. So it wasn't that much. I think I paid like $104 with my 5% military discount. It comes with a template, I guess. Let me see. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, yeah, that's if you. That's not good. And the screws. Okay, so 3 screws. 4. And now we're gonna take it apart. I'm not gonna show you how to put and take all that off, since there's countless videos since the Mustang came out, since the new S197 came out, of how to replace this. So we're just gonna do a before and after. All right, let's put that one in there. So this is the before. Okay, so this is the after. I have to say that this is the first time that I ever done a GT500 spoiler on this car. Not on this car, but out of my 7 Mustangs that I had before, I did this thing, swap out spoilers on 6 of them, right? I always did the ducktail, the California Special, the GT350, but I never done a S197 GT500 on any of my S197s. And I have to say, it wasn't that hard. This one from American Muscle, it's called OE Performance, I think it's called. It was only $109. The holes match perfectly if you already had the old one, and it's a subtle change. Still looks like nothing radical has changed from the Boss. Still one piece of spoiler, a little ducktail almost, kind of, but it is perfect. I think this is the one that they should have come with the Boss. It is nice. It's still subtle. It still looks good. It's not overstated, and I like it. It came out pretty good. It was easy to put on, and it came even with instructions to make the holes, a template. If you didn't have one at all, but if you have the original spoiler, this one matches the holes perfectly. I have to say, the old ones, every single one that I installed, this one was the easiest ever. This one is from American Muscle, which I think I'm gonna send this review. I mean, it looks perfectly. It matches exactly like the old one. It matches the same color of the stripes. So this was a win. Also, I just got my my cheap, and I say cheap, inexpensive, $40 oil separator that I'm gonna make for the Boss. And I have and I'm sorry, my stuff is so messed up. I literally just took out a little breather to make that one look just like the original stock. So we're gonna open this up. We're gonna put the oil separator. We're gonna see how I can match it up so it will look like the JLT one stock to the car. Well, not stock, they don't come with it, oil separators. All right, so this is the catch can, the oil separator that I bought from eBay. It has the fittings for the 2 inlet and outlet and for drain, but it's easy to open it up. It came with all the you know, usual stuff, a place where I can put the hold it, what you call this, a drain plug, but I'm gonna make sure, I'm gonna put it in, like lock it, so because I usually don't use the drain plug, I just take it all out every oil change. And this is from my previous Mustang, my B6 that I had at one time like 10 years ago. So I'm going to use these terminals. I'm going to attach this hose to this terminal so it can make it look nice and you know, better fitting than just a regular hose. Let's see how that works out. Well, it did not work out. The hose was too small for the endings of this thing, so I guess that's what happens when you try to cheap out and not buy the actual one for the actual car. Anyway, well, it was worth a try. It was $40. Like, I'm sure I can use it on the Trans Am. Oh, and we also got the right color decal, hopefully this time for the Trans Am, and we can do that another day. But for now, what I did today so far, I found my old sound tooth that goes in there. Like I said, I don't want to mess with the engine. This car is gray as it is. Oil catch can, I do want that, because even the GT, which when I was driving daily, actually that has a lot of blow by, so you don't want that. So a good old catch can, especially, it will do a lot of good, especially on a high revving engine like this one, like the Roadrunner. But so far I am very happy with how the GT500 spoiler came out. It came out really good. All right, so that'll be all until next time, until do another video for the Boss 302. And stay tuned. Also, Kit is not here yet, but finally is getting the rust repaired. The guy have to get a template to redo the T-Tops channels, and hopefully it's not gonna be that much money. And that's all, folks. See you next time.